Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Be intelligent.
Hey y'all, bass in your face, the fast pace in the place, the lyricist, the rapid fire leader of the rap race. I get hyper with a microphone grip tight, cause I choke the mic and then it never slip. You waited for a new one to break out of your box and make the other tape sound fake? Well, here it is, new and improved, the return of Phill, most chill, and this one's the move. You knew this, so get into this. Act right, don't try to bite, cause you can't do this. No prima donna, come match my persona, grab a mic like a gavel, so call me your honor. On and on I go, never slow with the tempo. Get on the mic, say 1, 2 at the intro. Rhyme for rhyme, the thugs know that I'm the epitome. So don't waste my time with a battle, cause that'll be all she wrote. Cause in a battle, I'm a battleship, you're nothing but a toy boat. And don't base the chase, attempt to detect the rhythm method I use, just get the full effect.
Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Be intelligent.
I never lived in a mansion or drove a Benz, but I'm a rag and tag MCs and leave only fragments. Remains no brains, no, cause they never had it. But I'm Phill, the most clever rapper you heard. Word to my man Big Bird, another rapper preferred. Well, that's absurd. The EP, the IT, the OME, and if you can't spell, well, I'm the epitome. To Phill, the most chill, and you can make it connect. I'm nothing less than perfection, because I perfect a wreck. A record that is my DJ's profession. You suckers still alive to talk, count your blessings. Cause he could go off at any given time. You might get cut down in your prime. He's Scratch Master Robin, I'm Phill, most chill.
Be intelligent.
So get ill before the music quits. You get dogged and then I feed you kibbles and bits.
Be intelligent.
You try to play me like a slot machine, you get nothing but lemons because I know the routine. So now I think you better
get on up. Be intelligent. Get on up. Be intelligent. Be intelligent. Get on up. 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 Be intelligent. Once you face this as a fact, then you can start plotting a course that will make you appear intelligent instead of unintelligent.
Than the times of 29, I make rappers forget their rhymes when they hear mine, cause I'm harder and better than most you'll find. And when you start to understand it, that's when it's time for me to change up and get mellow like a breeze. Gentle and smooth, but still busting up MCs. I do it to music and then I go a cappella. Scratch Master Rob is a South Bronx dweller, a fella who never ran, a man to take a stand together. We don't sever with the master plan, we can go on and on and on. That means we don't stop until the stunts are gone. So go, get out, yo, it's getting late. Understand what I'm saying? Get up, motivate, move, do something, get in motion like Earth, Wind, and Fire said.
Be intelligent. Get on up. Be intelligent. Get on up. Be intelligent. Still be intelligent. Get on up.
My man Jolly Rock on. Scott, first story recorded. Bobby Dan's Philadelphia. All the people in the Bronx rock on. My number one fan, Fina, I ain't forget you. My man Kenny, my brother Cool, I see without a doubt. My sister Val, see without a doubt. My man Russ says in the place, rock on. Church destroy. Come back in the day, the K9 crew, Dirty Dog, my homeboy Jazzy J. Cool Mark D from New Rochelle, rock on. Brucey B, the rooftop. Latin Quarter, after midnight, rock on. My man Vandy C, Grand Wizard Theodore. DJ Wiz Kid, Don Harvey, rock on. Also, from back in the day,